Hey guys, just wanted to make a little video about my N54 top mount manifolds. This will also fit an N55. Just showcasing some of the different styles that I make them out of the stock turbo folds. 750 horsepower capable, already proven that in the dyno. Made 700 all-wheel horsepower through this style. This style should support 1,000 plus with the right turbo. I use heat sinked O2 bungs on all my manifolds to extend O2 sensor longevity. This one I haven't put the wastegate on, but the wastegate will be like right here. Prioritized, so you have the best boost control possible. Same thing with this, so the wastegate will be right here. Email me for pricing on these guys. They're all TIG welded, back purged, lifetime warranty. These manifolds will last and make big power. So just send me an email and we'll talk pricing.